All right, so next, I'd like to get the carb and everything done. I think. Now I got all the grease and shit done. What do you think?
The carburetor?
Yeah, but I don't know if I have a gasket. Where's the intake? Can you grab the seat? The intake's got to be free. Let's do this next. I don't know. Intake. Oh, there's the intake. There's that. Do me a favor. Take that or that. That's the full one. Can you spray that off? You want some gloves? Or you?
Nah. It's got a little handle on there. That's your spray handle, so you can spray it.
Is it?
I believe so. Crack his door open or not?
No.
No.
Hell no.
She's still greasy.
Greasy. Intake bolt. Go to the bolt shop. Intake bolts.
Why did that brake juice make it all cold?
Coldness. Fucking idiot. Why are you so stupid? Where's my 10?
What's that part you're putting on?
That's the intake muffled.
Oh shit.
Honestly, this is the wrong way. And I'll explain why. Take it back off. It's really hard to get all the intake and everything in with the airbox. Like in the middle. Your best bet's to assemble like this, all the carb, everything to the airbox, and then yeah. Sure.
Makes sense.
Does it though?
It makes sense to me.
Does it though?
The people on the YouTube are like, oh shit.
The tubes of the U. What the hell are you talking? I just stopped listening half the time. This carb is actually really nice for the money. Can't remember how much they are on T-Bolt, but pick you up one.
T-Bolt.
TBoltUSA.com.
So they got like carburetors on there.
They have carbs, exhaust. I mean, they even sell that exhaust on there. I didn't get it from them. I got that from my buddy Eric, used, because it was dirt cheap. I paid like $30. Not the Yoshimura.
No, I was just gonna say, like, I know they got 347s on there too.
They do have some like high performance stuff on there too. So, oh, look at that. So nice.
So if you're running one of those air boxes,
yeah, the factory air box, it's better to just assemble it all at once. Trust me.
and then just put the whole bitch on.
Yeah, because trying to fish this into the frame with the fuel line, we're gonna have to fish the fuel lines around that. Usually what I do is I pop these off.
Yeah.
It gives a little bit more air, because you gotta remember there's still a filter there.
Mm-hmm.
So we may do that just to give it a little bit of more fresher, more for sure.
That sounds like a performance modification.
It does. Yeah, fuck that. Ain't happening. So I need your help. Where's the bolt hole?
She on.
Yeah. See how hard it is to get the freaking fuel lines? Like, there's just a little space.
Yeah. That's diffed.
Difficult.
Oh yeah. Make sure you get the stendo on there.
But the fucker's gonna run. Look at that. Airbox is mounted. Want to hang the exhaust? We could do the exhaust.
Hang the exhaust?
Exhaust.
Alright, let's do the exhaust then.
I mean, fuck it.
What you want to do, that's fine. Got the donut in there.
Yeah. All right. So good there. It's looking good.
Yeah. It's almost a whole bike. That's the rear fender.
Well, I hope so. Or I'm an idiot.
Whoa. I'm just saying. Because it looks like the one that goes on the back.
Ooh, it doesn't like that at all. It doesn't like it at all.
Oh. Why?
All right. The boots.
But
This is a wider fender.
oh, it is a wider fender.
Doesn't look horrible, but it sure as fuck doesn't look great. Yeah, it's better. Doesn't look horrible. No pause. Let's pause for a brief lunch break. Brought to you by the Donald's or McDuck's. Not sponsored.